Voorhees.
So after using the mono mode, I can say that the tweeter is moving a lot, and it's also very hot. So I decided to not do this like longer than a minute to keep the tweeter working. But this mono mode is really actually dangerous from Android. Like with the Charge 5, there was also like an increase in speaker movement, but somehow the tweeter wasn't like powering like with the Flip 6. So definitely do not recommend to use this unless you are like a stupid person to destroy your speakers. I would not do it. So I put the Charge 5 here now to let you guys see the difference with the mono mode, of course.
Jason Voorhees.
So with the Charge 5 you can see it moves a little bit, but definitely not as much with the Flip 6. So somehow JB has changed something with the tweeter output and make this tweeter more powerful in the mono mode. But really, like, it's still warm after a few minutes, so it really isn't recommended to do because it's plastic around it, so it can melt, and also the tweeter can like really blow up. So to be honest, for durability I do think that the Charge 5 is still a little bit better, because with this issue, and some people will like it because they can see this speaker move a little bit more, but they will be a little bit stupid and will burn down their tweeter. So definitely not recommended. Like with the Charge 5 it's completely safe to use the mono mode, and I also don't like it with the Charge 5. With this one, there is a little bit more like the low levels, but you break your tweeter. And with the Charge 5 the normal mode is much better. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. See you guys in the next one.
Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level.